4.0. Suspected bad ignition coil. Oh, Dr. Pepper's. Silica seats. Sometimes I get a good start, sometimes misfire. See what we got today. Misfire. Sometimes it'll clear up, sometimes it won't. I'm gonna load my shit up while this warms up. See if I can mount my phone here. Oh, look, it's starting to clear up. There it goes, clearing up. Sometimes it fires good, sometimes it doesn't. Still misfiring. I'll be putting a new ignition coil on it today. Just showing you what some symptoms might feel like. I also have a 2000 Explorer that have in the same issue, I think, with different symptoms. I'll show a video of that later. You can hear it's still misfiring, and power is like half. Every now and then it'll run fine for like a few seconds and then it'll go misfiring. A couple days ago it was the opposite. It was running fine and then it was misfiring every like 20th stroke, or I don't know. Just it wasn't very regular. But now it's just all the time. So I think there's a crack in the ignition coil. fordtechmakeyouloko video, very descriptive, plus a few other people's videos. There wasn't very many videos about the symptoms or what the sound's like or anything. So I got no muffler. I got some glass packs on here. You can kind of tell. I'll put my seatbelt on. Sorry for the shaky video. I just want y'all to see what how the RPMs act. Sometimes I'll be at an idle and it'll try and die and I'll lose oil pressure and everything. My oil gauge will bounce and the RPMs will go almost to zero. But then the computer brings it back. Alright, now I got at least one or two cylinders not firing. I got no power. Let's see. Oh, I gotta get a switch. My blinker doesn't turn on. Look at this guy's sticker. It's like a fat guy. It's a girl. Oh shit. Oh hell. Shit has hit the fan, ladies and gentlemen. This is all on my iPhone. You can submit a donation and I'll get better equipment. I'm trying to keep it under 8-minute video. Just so it's driving alright. I mean, I can move. I'm just really trying to show you this guy's sticker. It's a fat girl sticker. I like it. Let's see if I can zoom in on it now. Oh hell. You're burning off on me. 218 on the clock. Tons of vibration from the misfire. When it's running great, this thing's smooth as butter. You didn't even know it's on. You can hear the vibrations. Alright, I'm going to get this guy's sticker and then I'm going to come back with the follow-up video. Oh look, it cleared up. Look, listen how clear it is now at the light. no, it didn't clear up. Still kind of vibrating again. Backfiring too on those. Every now and then it'll catch that cylinder full of fuel.